In this video, I'll be revealing the top 5 apps for streaming movies and TV shows for free legally. These apps are available on the official App Store and Play Store. So you can get these apps for your iPhone, your iPads, and your Android devices. Now, number one on my list is Viki. Now, with Viki, you'll be able to stream a lot of Asian dramas, international movies, and a lot of web series as well. So you can see that in here. Stream your favorite new, you know, Asian dramas and movies. So many stuff are available. Enjoy exclusive content, and also the subtitles available as well on this platform. So you can go ahead and download to your Android or your iPhone devices, because you can also see in here that is available for the official, Google Play Store. So you can also see it in here with 50 million downloads, which means that this app is actually game changer. So if you haven't actually downloaded this app, you can go ahead and download this app right now, and you'll be able to stream a whole lot of web series, TV shows, and stuff related to that for free legally. Now, number two on my list is Plex. Now, with Plex, you'll be able to stream a whole lot of stuff like movies and TV shows for free legally. All you have to do is just install the app, sign up, and then you'll be able to stream for free on their platform. Also, they also have a lot of live TV channels available as well for you to access on their platform for free as well. Now, this platform called Place is actually available for the App Store, and also is available on the Google Play Store. So you can see it with 50 million download as well in here, which means that this app is also game changer. So you have to go ahead and download to your iPhone device or your Android device, so you can start streaming for free legally on the Plex platform. Now, number three on my list is called Bilibili. Now, with Bilibili, you'll be able to stream a whole lot of content, including anime. So if you're an anime lover, this app is the right app for you. You can actually see it having 100 million downloads. Now, for an app to be having 100 million downloads, that means that this app is actually next level. So you have to go ahead and download this app right now to your device. So you can see so many stuff are available in here for you to actually stream, and it's for free. You can stream for free legally on this platform. Also, this platform called Bilibili is also available for the iPhone and iPad devices. So if I go to my app store right now, you can also see that it's available in here. So what are you actually waiting for? So go ahead and download this app and start streaming right now for free legally. Now, before I move on to the fourth and fifth on my list and actually give you guys a bonus, because I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus platform in this video. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, then do well to smash that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time to do that. Now, number four on my list is OSN Plus. Now, with OSN Plus, you can actually stream a whole lot of content, including high quality content. That's 4K content, just as you can see on your screen right now. So you have to download this app. This app is available on the App Store, and is also available on the Google Play Store. So you can see it available in here with 10 million downloads, which means that this app is also kind of good. So you have to check this app out. Now, next on my list is Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV is already super popular because they are having 100 million downloads. So that should tell you that this app is very good. Now, they have thousands of movies and shows. They have hundreds of live TV channels for you to actually access, all for free. You can clearly see it in here. They said stream now, pay never, which means that this is actually a free platform for you to actually stream for free legally. Also, they have the latest news and the latest sports on this platform. So you guys have to go ahead and check this platform out that is called Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV is available for the Android devices. It's also available for iPhone, iPads, and similar devices. Now, lastly, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus. Now, the bonus is actually this app that is called Filmzy. Now, with Filmzy, you'll be actually able to also stream a whole lot of categories, from action to comedies, new movies and TV shows, and so many stuff in here on this platform for you to actually also stream for free legally. So this app is also something that you guys have to also check out. This app is actually having 1 million plus downloads, which means that the app is also good and it's something that is worth checking out. Now, in this video, I gave you guys Viki, I gave you Plex, I gave you Bilibili, which is actually a lot of anime and stuff related. That's what you'll be seeing on this platform. So if you're an anime fan, you have to check Bilibili out because it's actually legal. Also, I give you guys OSN Plus, I gave you guys Pluto TV, and lastly, I gave you guys a bonus, and that's Filmzy. So give anyone that you actually like a try, and I'm sure you will actually have a wonderful time streaming a lot of content for free legally. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.